Well, Connor, sadly, it's the end of the road for TNS in the Conference League. It's been quite a journey. Not the result you wanted or needed tonight, but as you stand here, what's the main emotion?
I'm quite angry actually, just towards the end of the game. Yeah, how they ended really. Probably shouldn't say that, but I just thought they should have showed us a little bit more respect. You come away to a big club who have had some fantastic results, by the way, against some massive teams. And little old TNS have put us right on the map, and I thought we took them all the way. Yeah.
For you personally, Connor, Craig, your manager, he's just spoken so highly of you. In another interview, he said you've been the player of the tournament so far. For you personally, how much do you feel like you've grown in this competition and really, made a big mark?
Believe it or not, people say it's easy to be a goalkeeper at TNS, like in the league. It's not, because if you don't touch the ball for a while, you start thinking, well, what do I do when the ball comes towards me? So in this easier, I know you might sound daft, but it is a little bit easier to, you expect to make saves and you just want to be relied upon. And I thought I've done that okay tonight, yeah.
Looking at the second half tonight, just as one example, so much character shown by TNS.
Yeah, and I think that's reflected in all the games, right? What I thought was a difficult draw, by the way, if you have a look at the pots and the teams we face within the pots, facing top opposition. As I say, a bit gutted it's over, but at least now we can focus on the league.
Yeah, the journey's over, back to the league, but come on, you've got a title to defend now.
I know we have, yeah, and obviously with Britain Ferry beating us, we'll want to put one over them, and Boxing Day, Carnarvon away, real tough place to go, real tough place. So two real important fixtures, Panamont and Harvey West obviously pushing, Cardiff Met doing the same, so we'll see what we can do and hopefully get back to the top.
Connor, diolch yn fawr.
Thanks so much.